Hello. How are you? Very quiet, yeah? Oh, maybe soon, yeah? Take care. Yo, hello, boss. How are you? Many people, no? That's not good. Maybe soon, yeah? Just open, yeah? Take care, my friend. Yo, what's up, brothers? How you doing? All good? How many customers? Many, no?
Not so many right now.
Not many. But you are ready. You are waiting. Good luck. Take care. Arak. Take care. This is probably the most popular street in full entire Bali, guys. It's called LEGIAN Street in LEGIAN, Bali, Indonesia. And this was the restaurant open for 24 hours, 7 days, all year round. Unfortunately, it's closed, but can you see this sign? Opening soon. And they have some refurbishment developments. Definitely they're gonna open very soon. So seems like some good news are coming to Bali very soon. Life in LEGIAN Street is definitely much more arrive. More shops are open. Either like a Dickies or something like this one, like a local warungs shops with merchandises. Definitely more people driving around. So seems like it's a big hope in the air regarding the reopening. I used to pass this street literally every single day whenever I was in Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, making videos for you. And it wasn't like that. Everything has changed when they announced as the Bali International Airport is open. Okay, hold on a second. Here is the pad, bar and grill. Unfortunately, it's still closed. Somebody asked me about that. Yo. Some kids on Vespa are happy. Yo, definitely many people driving around. That's for sure. Some sellers, local sellers, and the big companies come back to the business also. There are even massage shops are open. Currently, many warungs reopening again. So seems like big hope in the air. The only one thing wasn't changed yet. This is still no tourists on the street. You can see right now, nearly to the Sky Garden area, there is not a single person walking on my side of the street. So, well, at least businesses are come back. This is the LEGIAN big bar here, nightclub, day club. I think day club actually, they are not really open at night, but day club. And some warungs are open. So anyway, today I'm gonna show you everything around LEGIAN Street, the most popular street in Bali, or at least used to be 2 years ago, up to Sky Garden area, Paddy's, Banti Discotheque and LXXY. New little warungs are reopening slowly, some little kebab. Here is the Love Hotel, also for everyone maybe interested to stay. In general, LEGIAN Street is popular through so many bars, so many restaurants, so many discotheques, and also city hotels, mostly 3-star hotels, sometimes 2, sometimes 4, but mostly 3. And it used to be the most busiest street in full entire Bali so far. It's already 5:30 p.m. It's going to be dark soon, so it's supposed to be busy, but there are some people actually going to one of this hotel, this lady looking for the massage. Warung Mina since 1994, it's open. Also, it was closed all the time. Motorbikes, people already come back. Thank you, my friend, thank you.
Oh, everybody.
How are you?
Very quiet.
Very quiet,
yeah.
Still quiet.
Bali no
Just
now.
open, yeah?
Yeah.
Take care, my friend. Maybe next year.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe next time. Yo, what's up? Busy, no?
Oh.
No, not yet. All right. Take care, my friend. The Jack and the one LEGIAN. So, generally, the sellers come back, massage ladies come back, but there is no people around. So, that's one thing. Hello. How are you? Very quiet, yeah? Oh, maybe soon, yeah? Take care. So, as you see, take care, my friend. I think this is the Madura guy. Long time ago, I used to vlog here walking quite often, in 2020 especially. So seems like the Warungs definitely coming back, but seems like still no tourists. They only coming back, that's for sure, but waiting. Even this shop, everything for 100k is open. Another copy pot. This place was closed. Hello. Was closed all the time. They just open, seems like, definitely. Well, it's open, empty, but open. Heading now into area more likely to the where is more bars and discotheques. Alpha Express, this is some new shops. I think they're replacing the mini-marts slowly. In Bali and also mini-marts, there was 7-Eleven in like 10, 15 years ago. Just interesting fact, if you will ask why is no 7-Elevens in Bali, Indonesia. They have something like mini-mart. They opened here just now something like Superlative Gallery. Have no idea what is it inside. Interesting. Hotel Taman Ayu closed. And well, another city. Hello. Hello. A lot of massage ladies come back to their spa shops. Owners, workers, not sure. Meanwhile, the still situation on the street. Well, still many Warungs are closed. Australian owned, closed. Well, not many Australian people coming, and this street was popular to Australian people, by the way. Interesting fact. The LEGIAN Cafe, Agung Cottages, heading now into bars area. Actually, in some spots there is kind of busy. In some spots, it's still you can feel how it was in the past 2 years. Like for example, here, this is one of the victims, and nobody took it over anything. Bintang Bar, Bintang Pub or bar. Seems like somebody took over the building and they are making something. The gate yesterday was open and they destroyed the full entire bar. So as you even can see a little bit, it's gonna be probably brand new business here. Probably they're gonna change the name or maybe keep it. I'm not sure. Something is going on definitely. On the other side of the street, still many places are closed. But at the beginning was definitely a little bit more alive. Anyway, like I already said at the beginning of the video, some people coming back to their businesses. Like for example, this little shop here with the clothes and the rattan bags. Seems like they open, have a lot of stuff over here. Yo, hello boss, how are you?
How are you?
Many people, no?
No.
That's not good. Maybe soon, yeah?
Maybe shopping?
No, I'm fine, thank you. But I wish you good luck.
Okay.
Okay, God bless, take care. And I'm gonna show you quickly in 360 degree. Burger King is open also, it was closed all the time. So it's still actually you can feel the quietness, except that some Warungs, some shops are open. Empire, LEGIAN 36, closed and is for lease. So this bar, nightclub is totally for lease, and even if somebody gonna open, there will be the new ownership, new management. Indomaret eventually is open again, which is very good. And this is already VIP Sky Garden at the front and the bomb monument. Motorbike for rent if you want. Everything is waiting for you. Just the difference is there is totally no people actually. So it's pretty sad. Still many people passing by, or somehow, well, to compare to the previous stage is still very quiet. But let's say it's more optimistic. And at the front you can see Sky Garden. I will stop a little bit. VIP, very popular places. Kuta bomb monument at the front, as you see. Also not even people making pictures today, so maybe I just got like a little time where there's nobody, but maybe that's how it is actually in the area. Anyway, Sky Garden is closed and probably never gonna come back. For everyone who don't know this, follow the story. I talk about Sky Garden already many times. This is the entrance to the Poppies Lane 2. Quickly gonna show, there is the massage lady also, but she's shy, hiding. I'm gonna come back. She's from TheMonkeys advertising here in Kuta, LEGIAN. That was the top 59 worldwide club in 2019, and that was last time when the Sky Garden was open and probably never gonna come back. 5GX, they opened a huge company in Canggu. However, this one in LEGIAN is closed. This is actually already Kuta, no, still Kuta LEGIAN, yeah. Already Kuta, basically, technically, J4 hotel. And let's see how's the popular discotheques which is Banti discotheque and parties here. Embassy Bali closed for lease. And here we go. This is the Banti discotheque. It's 5:30, something like that. Supposed to be open. People supposed to start coming. Place supposed to warming up. However, it's closed. The doors are just literally closed. So seems they're not gonna open today. And the same with Paddy. Paddy, if I remember correctly, it was open 24/7 every single day. Exactly the same like Mama's restaurant at the front, what they are planning to opening soon. And even this Bintang small bar, everything actually still closed. Also on the other side, I skipped the engine room. Also was very popular place. It's also closed. I forgot to show you the LXXY, but anyway, like everything around. Also behind me, VIP I think still is closed. There is only security sitting there and there is no staff inside, so no pizza for today in VIP. I promised to someone, I'm sorry, maybe one day when you come back also everybody of you gonna come back will be open and we're gonna have an event party there. But currently not much is happening, and as the conclusion I could say, as I think some people have a hope as everything gonna come back very soon to any kind of normal. However, from my personal observation what's going on the YouTube, I have more than 90% foreigners watching me on our YouTube. Almost nobody of you gonna come to Bali if quarantine gonna be lifted totally to 0 days. Even right now, if you have 3 vaccines, you can have to do 3 days quarantine and also, well, 3 or 2 PCR tests. So I don't think so anything will change. Somebody making pictures. I'm gonna keep continuing these videos for you. I know many of you are interested in what's going on in Bali. Thank you so much for watching for today. And as always, I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care.